Good morning, children. All of you open your EVS course book, volume 1 EVS course book, page number 42. Open EVS course book, page number 42. See here, in the world there are 7 continents and 5 oceans. 7 continents and 5 oceans. What are that 7 continents? Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Okay, Asia and Australia are in the east. Okay, to the Asia in the southeast there is the continent Australia. Okay, and to the Asia in the west Europe and Africa. North America and South Africa are in the west. Antarctica is in the south. Okay, on the globe to these continents they are colored in specific colors. Asia in red color, Australia in pink color, Europe in brown, and Africa in yellow, North America in green, South America in blue, and Antarctica is in thick green. Okay, Asia red color, Australia pink, Europe brown, Africa yellow, North America green, South America blue, and Antarctica thick green. Okay, now open your workbook. Okay, see here, complete the in the page number workbook page number 26. All of you take workbook page number 26. See, complete the crossword puzzle. Complete the crossword puzzle. Across, okay, across means horizontal, down means vertically. We must write their names. See, first one in the down, first one is in green color. Which continent is in green color means North America. So you must write down, in the one down we must write North America. Green color continent is North America. And pink color continent is Australia. In the down 2 write down Australia. Okay, yellow color continent in the down 3 is yellow color continent. Yellow color continent is Africa. Yellow color continent is Africa. Now come to the across. See, thick green color continent is Antarctica. Second across is Antarctica. Okay, and fourth blue color continent is South America. Fourth across is South America. And fifth one brown color continent is Europe. And sixth one our continent, that is red color continent, is Asia. On the globe these continents are in specific colors. Okay, green color in North America and pink color in Australia. Okay, they had showed on the globe in these colors. Africa in yellow, blue color in South America, thick green Antarctica. Okay, and Asia red, brown color is Europe. Okay, now come to the next page. Answer the following. Which is the largest country? Largest country is Russia. Largest country is Russia. Okay, next, island continent, which is called as the island continent, that is Australia. Which continent is called as the island continent? Australia. The most populous country, which country is having more population means China. The largest ocean is, in the 5 ocean, which is the largest ocean? Pacific Ocean. Okay, and which is called the frozen continent means Antarctica. Which is called the frozen continent means Antarctica. The smallest country is Vatican City. Sorry, Vatican. The smallest country is Vatican. Okay. Largest country is Russia and smallest country is Vatican. Which country has the most population means China. And which is the largest ocean means Pacific Ocean. Which is called the frozen continent means Antarctica. Island continent is Australia. Now come to the seventh one. The most popular language in the world. World popular language ఏది అంటే English. In the world popular language is English. Which is the smallest ocean means Arctic Ocean. Largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. Dark continent is Africa. Which continent is called as the dark continent means Africa. The largest desert is Sahara Desert. Okay. The warmest ocean is Indian Ocean. The longest river is Nile River. Okay. And the most widely spoken language in India is Hindi. Okay. Popular language in the world is English. Widely spoken ఎక్కువగా ఇండియాలో okay in India most widely spoken language is Hindi. The largest island is Greenland. The largest island is Greenland. The highest mountain is Mount Everest. Which is the highest mountain? Mount Everest. The coldest ocean is Antarctica. Warmest is Indian Ocean. Coldest ocean is Antarctica. The biggest river which carries more water in it is Amazon. Okay, the biggest river which carries more water in it is Amazon. The most widely spoken language in the world is Mandarin Chinese. Okay, widely spoken language in India is Hindi. In the world, Mandarin Chinese. The deepest ocean point is Mariana Trench. Mariana Trench. It is about 11 kilometers. Sorry. Its depth is about 11 kilometers. And man floats on water in the sea. Okay, already we had learnt all these in the lesson Dead Sea. Okay, again I will revise this page. The largest country is Russia and the island continent is Australia. The most populous country is China. The largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Frozen continent is Antarctica. Okay, it is completely covered with the ice. The smallest country is Vatican. The most popular language in the world is English. The smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. Dark continent is Africa. The largest desert is Sahara Desert. Warmest ocean Indian Ocean and the coldest ocean is Antarctica. Okay, the longest river is Nile. The most widely spoken language in India is Hindi. Okay, in the world is Mandarin Chinese. The largest island is Greenland. The highest mountain is Mount Everest. Okay, coldest ocean already we discussed Antarctica. The biggest river is Amazon. The most widely spoken language in the world is Mandarin Chinese. The deepest ocean is Mariana Trench. It is about 11 kilometers depth. Man floats on water in the sea. In which sea man floats on? Which sea man floats on water means Dead Sea. Okay. Tomorrow we can discuss this page. Now come to the question and answers. Yesterday I gave you in the WhatsApp these two question and answers. I will explain you once. How many states and union territories are there in our country? How many states? There are 29 states and 7 union territories. Okay, in our country, how many states and union territories are there? There are 29 states and 7 UTs means union territories. How are Puducherry and Delhi different from other union territories? Okay, in the 7 union territories, how they differ? These union territories, Delhi and Puducherry means all the union territories will have the lieutenant governor. Okay, like our for every state there will be CM, no? Like that, for all the union territories there will be lieutenant governors. Delhi and Puducherry also will have an elected chief minister. Okay, even though all the decisions will go under lieutenant governor, but these two union territories will have the chief minister. Okay, how many states and union territories are there in our country means there are 29 states and 7 union territories. How the Delhi and Puducherry differ from other union territories means Delhi and Puducherry will have an elected chief minister, are entitled to have an elected chief minister, thereby conveying partial statehood unlike other union territories. Okay, like other states, Delhi and Puducherry will have an elected chief ministers. Okay, there are 29 states and 7 union territories. Delhi and Puducherry are entitled to have an elected chief minister, thereby conveying partial statehoods. That means like other states, they have an elected chief minister. Unlike other union territories will not have an chief minister. They will have only lieutenant governor. They are appointed by the president. Next, what is a continent? How many continents are there in the world? A continent is a huge stretch of landmass that rises above the level of water body around it. Okay, landmass, water body level కంటే రైజ్ అయి ఉన్న ల్యాండ్నే మనం కాంటినెంట్స్ అంటాం. వరల్డ్లో ఎర్త్ మీద వాటర్ లెవెల్ కంటే రైజ్ అయి ఉన్న ల్యాండ్నే, ఎత్తుగా పైకి వచ్చిన ల్యాండ్నే కాంటినెంట్ అని చెప్పేసి అంటాం. ఓకే, దెర్ ఆర్ 7 కాంటినెంట్స్ ఆల్రెడీ వి డిస్కస్డ్ అప్ టు నో. దే ఆర్ ఏషియా, యూరోప్, ఆఫ్రికా, నార్త్ అమెరికా, సౌత్ అమెరికా, ఆస్ట్రేలియా అండ్ అంటార్క్టికా. A continent is a huge stretch of landmass that rises above the level of water body around it. తన చుట్టూ ఉన్న వాటర్ బాడీ కంటే కూడా కొంచెం ఎత్తుగా రైజ్ అయి ఉన్న హ్యూజ్ ల్యాండ్ మాస్ అంటే వెరీ బిగ్ ల్యాండ్ మాస్ని మనం కాంటినెంట్ అని చెప్పేసి అంటాం. ఇన్ ది వరల్డ్ ఆన్ ది ఎర్త్ దెర్ ఆర్ 7 కాంటినెంట్స్. దే ఆర్ ఏషియా, యూరోప్, ఆఫ్రికా, నార్త్ అమెరికా, సౌత్ అమెరికా, ఆస్ట్రేలియా అండ్ అంటార్క్టికా. ఓకే, read these two questions. Along with that, read page number 27 also. Okay, if I ask you which is the smallest country means you must tell that is Vatican. Which is the largest country? Russia. Which is the warmest ocean? Indian Ocean. And which is the coldest ocean means Antarctica, which is called the frozen continent. Okay, you must learn page number 27 also. Okay, thank you.